Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, as I mentioned just in my last video, Bitcoin is finally showing a little bit of strength and the sentiments are definitely getting into the positive end. As long as we're able to break above 100,000, 107,000 is just around the corner. But what's even crazier is if you just pay attention to how well Solana and BNB are doing, they're definitely showing a lot of positive trend, meaning there is a lot of inflow of cash in the entire market. And let me tell you one thing, as the ETFs are going to be playing a crucial role, BlackRock is trying extremely hard to buy as much as Bitcoin they possibly can before the next leg of this bull run. And you guys know that Bitcoin always is the one leading the chart. Now, finding a meme coin relating to Bitcoin is a little bit harder to find, especially the one that's not already blown up and you can actually make profit from. Well, let me show you one that I've been looking at. This one is called Bitcoin Bull. It's a very interesting concept because it's simple. Bitcoin Bull token, Bitcoin's best crypto pre-sale. Bitcoin Bull token is unstoppable force pushing Bitcoin towards 1 million plus. Buy BTCBULL and earn Bitcoin as BTC becomes the #1 asset in the world. Now we know that gold and Bitcoin are always competing. The ETFs are always competing to ensure which one can do better numbers. While this token is just trying to pretty much ride off the wave. That's the best way to describe it. Right now, this pre-sale has just begun, so that's why I'm telling you this is a very early opportunity. Usually when I'm talking about a pre-sale or a token, they're about at 2 million, 3 million raised. This one is at 230,000. And let me tell you one thing, in a couple of days when I make a video about this again, when it's on 2 million, I will remember these numbers just to mention how well it's doing just from the past couple of days. Even though it's so early, you can see that's already featured on Crypto News, Cryptopolitan, and Coinpedia. So there is a lot of names which are already getting connected to this token. The official, well, earn Bitcoin airdrop. Hold Bitcoin Bull token to receive Bitcoin airdrop as the price of the greatest asset rises. A huge Bitcoin Bull airdrop also awaits the strongest holders when Bitcoin hits 250,000. Weighed by your community sale purchase amount. Token burn milestone. There's going to be few times when the token supply is definitely going to be reduced. And that's obviously going to be helping pumping up the price even faster. Another thing that's even crazier is the amount of stake return you receive right now. If you just go over here, if you decide to purchase this token, you know the pre-sale is going to go on for a couple of days. It's not just going to be instantly coming to an end. Well, you don't need to just wait around hoping that the pre-sale comes to an end so you can make some profit and get your money back. You can actually go ahead and stake it away for a return of 1,359% per annum. Just to give you perspective, as more people are going to be buying into it, obviously the amount is going to go down, but if you get into it early, obviously the amount of return you can receive is going to be much greater. So let me tell you one thing, right now would be a very good opportunity to get into it early. Another thing is the Bitcoin token roadmap. First of all, the project milestones. While Bitcoin 100k, 125k, there's going to be a token burn, 75 or 175 token burn, 225 token burn, and then the airdrops will also be going through. Earn free Bitcoin with Bitcoin Bull token. At the end of the day, I do want to mention why best wallet. To reward the Bitcoin Bull community in Bitcoin, we needed a wallet partner with advanced capabilities, and the ones they partnered up with is Best Wallet. Now this is how you buy it. Now just want to mention this, at the end of the day, is a meme coin, so this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you guys opinion in terms of what I think is going to do well in the future. Because it's a meme coin, make sure you guys do your own research. This is just my opinion, okay? If you do want to purchase it, all you simply have to do is just go to the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You can just click on buy with card or buy with crypto. Then you can just connect the wallet that you personally use, and then you can just select how much Ethereum or USDT you would like to convert into Bitcoin Bull. From there, do not forget to stake it away. Also, if you look at, you know, the audit that they have completed, there is no problems at all. Their Twitter has about 250 followers, so, and the post has about 1,000 views. So they're still very early into this project. There is so much left for this project to do incredibly well, and their Telegram has just 46 subscribers, so you know it's extremely early. Now, as I mentioned, if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. Trust me, I personally think this has a lot of opinion and actually a lot of potential. I do want to mention it's a meme coin, so make sure you do your own research. This is no financial advice. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you soon.